Okay, here we are, Andrew, my lovely husband, and Woody there. We are preparing our self-watering planters for planting, and we're taking last year's and we are dumping all the old soil, and we're checking that see these baskets here? Those aquatic baskets need to be filled with coconut coir. Andrew, do you want to just do that? And we're going to place it back in the bottom of our self-watering planter. Andrew will show you how that's working. Okay. And we're going to then place all the soil back in the bucket so that it gets turned over. And stay tuned. Okay, Andrew, go ahead and do it because this video is going on for too long. You're a real sport. He's like an amazing husband here, indulging me here. Okay. Whoa. Okay, there is lots of great rich soil in those self-watering planters. Can you see them behind me? So much work to get them all the soil turned over, cleaned up, and put in the driveway. So the next step is planting. Okay, I've got some of the plants here that you saw grow from seedlings. Beets, purple ball tomatoes, some purple basil, carrots. These guys are cherry tomatoes and peppers. So next time you see me, they will be done. I'm just gonna go off now and do some planting. Oh, and I forgot to mention, I'm gonna be using also some seeds and see how that works out. These ones were started indoors. I'm gonna try some just straight into the soil. So satisfying. Now for some beets. Love feeling that soil. There you go. Okay, I'm experimenting. I'm putting 2 carrot plants in one planter because I want to get a better yield, and maybe I'll also put some seeds here as well. Oops. There we go. Okay, I'm going to put some seeds. Okay, see how tiny those seeds are? I am putting the carrots and some carrot seeds into each of these holes, and we'll see whether we get any carrots from the seed. Okay, I hope that the seeds work because that would be a lot easier than doing seedlings. I'm trying an experiment. I put some seed for arugula and red and green leaf lettuce, and I watered them, and now I'm going to cover them with a sheet, and I'm going to moisten the sheet and let them sit there until they germinate. Okay, just finished filling up all the reservoirs of the self-watering planters, and they've all been watered from the top and the bottom. So that's it. It's been a great day gardening. Ah, it's all done. Actually, not all done, but most of it's done. Check it out. Lots of beautiful plants there. Happy planting, everyone.